Hello, color connoisseurs! Get ready to embark on a mesmerizing voyage into the kaleidoscopic world of paint production. Ever been curious about the journey of the fiery red that livens up your kitchen walls, or the serene blue that adorns your favorite teacup? Buckle up, dear viewers, as we dive deep into the rainbow realm. From unseen pigment particles to the fascinating flow, the captivating consistency of binders to the magical effect of additives, we're leaving no stone unturned. This is not merely a story of slapping hues on a wall, but a chronicle of the awe-inspiring each droplet of paint goes through. Get ready to be enthralled by the elaborate craftsmanship and charm embedded in this process. So, settle back, grab a snack, and join us on our mission to unravel the mystique of paint production. Welcome aboard our color caravan. Laughs. Have you ever pondered why the magic of paint adds more color to our world than a chicken crossing the well? Hold on to your hats, folks, because today we will explore the mesmerizing world of paint creation. Imagine a reality devoid of any color. Absent are the fiery hued sunsets, the verdant green forests, the richly red strawberries. It's almost like a chapter from a grim dystopian tale, isn't it? Fortunately, we have the magic of paint to preserve us from that grayscale horror. So, what's the secret behind the creation of this enchanting color-inducing substance? It's not as if mythical creatures are weeping tears of vivid hues in some clandestine workshop. No, the art of crafting paint is a tad less whimsical but equally captivating. The crux of any paint, the heart of its unique hue, is the pigment. This all-important component bestows the vivid life and character to every stroke of color. The pigment, you may be intrigued to know, has quite an unexpected origin. Deriving from a broad spectrum of sources, it can be traced back minerals, plants, and even, quite astonishingly, insects. That's correct, your beloved shade of red might just owe its existence to a tiny, crushed beetle. Next, we introduce a vital component, a binder. You might be thinking of the kind you use to secure your treasured Pokémon cards, but this is quite different. This binder is essentially a sticky substance that plays a crucial role in the paint-making process. It holds the pigment particles together, creating a unified color. Additionally, it also aids the paint in adhering to various surfaces. Just imagine it as the adhesive that binds the color family, maintaining harmony and consistency. Next, we introduce a pivotal component into the mix, the solvent. Acting as a temporary vehicle in the paint production process, the solvent carries the pigment and binder. However, its role is short-lived. As the paint dries, the solvent takes its exit, evaporating into thin air. All that is left behind is the pigment and binder, ready to shine. In essence, the solvent is the unsung hero of the paint world, playing its part and then quietly stepping back to allow the pigment and binder to take the spotlight. Finally, let us shine a spotlight on the additives. So vital, yet often unacknowledged, they are truly the champions of the paint universe. Their role? To enhance the paint's flow, bolster its durability, and expedite the drying time. They are not just ingredients, but the very lifeblood of your color concoction, imbuing it with qualities that take it from ordinary to extraordinary. So, next time you admire a perfectly painted wall, remember, it's the additives that have made it possible. So, how exactly do these various components transform into paint? It all boils down to a process of mixing. Each ingredient is systematically introduced into a mixer where they whirl around until they are uniformly blended. This process is akin to a meticulous and deliberate dance where the objective is not to eliminate participants, unlike musical chairs, but to harmonize them so that they emerge together as a vibrant color. Next, we journey to the mill, where the mixture undergoes a meticulous transformation. The process is focused on grinding the mixture down into microscopically fine particles. It's a fascinating procedure, much like a culinary art, taking a rough blend and refining it into a smooth, consistent substance. Consider it similar to preparing a gourmet meal where each ingredient is carefully whisked to the perfect texture. At last, the culmination of extensive labor and skill, the paint is prepared for its final journey. The finished product is methodically packaged and is set to make its way to various distribution channels. It travels to art supply stores, hardware retailers, and even finds a place in the collection of your neighborhood graffiti artist. So, folks, there we have it. The next time you gaze upon a striking painting or a newly coated wall, take a moment to appreciate the paint that made it all possible. From pigment to binder, solvent to additives, Each element has an integral role in adding color to our existence. The process is as intricate as a chicken crossing the but much more vibrant. Always bear in mind, each can of paint is a treasure chest of potential colors. So here's a toast to the unsung heroes of our Technicolor universe, the paints. They're the real architects of our vibrant world, meticulously crafting it one brushstroke at a time. To finish, let us duly acknowledge the indispensable role paints play in our colorful lives.